what's up, fool? We're going on a skate ride. So what I mean? Yeah, fool. I'm joined here by stupid little brat kid.
I'm Junior.
Oh, yep, that kid. And that guy over there. He's stupid too. But there's Junior. He's so stupid. He's just a little kid.
Guys, let's go on a ride.
Dude, you're a little brat. You're still my LeBron. You think you're so cool. Okay, I'm riding this though. Whoa, fool. Fool. Bowser Jr., why don't you shut up, okay? Jeez, the kid, going over me. Jeez. Because you're so annoying and fat. So stop being both of those. Check up. Me drop my scooter. Where's Toby? Dude, fool. Dude, I need to play me some Call of Duty.
I don't have to be. Start the
Beat. Okay, guys. So what's up, fool? Whoa. Why you shoot? Wait, what? What?
Put the camera up. Like so we can.
Bruh. Folk. Oh, dude. Oh, fool, this adventure is so fun, fool. Dude, I would rather be playing Call of Duty. I would rather be... Oh, yeah. When Chef PP went to go get me the wrong Call of Duty on the Wii U and I shot it with the crossbow, man, that got messed up. He showed him no, the PS4 bundle is way better than a kiddish Wii U. Dude, like, fool. Dude. Bowser Jr., why don't you shut up? Okay, you made me stop 500 times. You better stop it, you fat Bowser Jr. Hey, fool.
Come on, my kid, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, you want fool? It's fine, fool. It's fine. Okay, let's go, fool. All right, go.
Guys, I forgot to take my medical medicine and
Oh, your ADHD?
yeah, cause
To calm you down because you're one fat annoying kid?
wait, I'm not fat.
Yes, you are. Help! Oh, really, dude? Because I play Call of Duty 24/7? That's obviously... Shut up! Shut up, fatty! You're just so fat! Da-da-da, 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 ba-da-ba! Ba! Whoa! You okay, fool? Oh. Dude, these streets is getting dangerous, kid. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on. Dude, what is this? This looks like a spiky. Get away. Watch out! Let me try. Ah!
Well, you better chill on that Call of Duty.
Shut up! Call of Duty is the best game ever, fool.
No, we're not.
Shut up, Bowser Jr. You can't talk like you're in the hood. You're not in the hood of my neighbors. Minecraft is old. Gotta play Call of Duty now. Banana. Shut up, fool. Fool, you're so stupid, fool. Fool, shut up, fool. Fool, come back.
Who the heck for that?
That wasn't my fool.
Who was that?
That was fool.
Pipe it up, bro.
That was Bob and Michelle and Courtney. Shut up, Bowser Jr. Just because you're a baby, you can't ride a bike doesn't mean you have to share our problems. I'm not I'm gonna come to you. I'm gonna come to you. Made me drop my water bottle on the way, fool. Dude, these fool, so crazy, fool. Oh, jeez, what's wrong with these fool? I need to grab my water bottle. Hold on. I'll be right back, fool. Baz Jr., you better get back here, fool. You know what, fool? You know how I feel about that, fool? I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna come get you, fool. I'm gonna get you, Junior. I'm gonna get you. Shut up, Bowser Jr. You're gonna be here for weeks if you're gonna tie your shoe because you can't even tie your shoe.